Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the Neostar Multimedia. Today we have a date with the Seven Sisters of India, a land of unparalleled beauty, rich culture, and incredible diversity. Nestled in the northeastern part of the country, these seven states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura, form a unique mosaic of traditions, natural wonders, and vibrant lifestyles. Let's take a journey through each of these incredible states. Arunachal Pradesh, often called the land of the rising sun, is the easternmost state of India. It is home to serene monasteries like the Tawang Monastery, stunning landscapes, and diverse flora and fauna. Adventure seekers flock here for trekking and river rafting in pristine rivers like the Siang and Kameng. Arunachal Pradesh's 26 tribes contribute to its vibrant culture, with festivals like Losar and Dri celebrated with great zeal. Assam is known as the gateway to the northeast and is famous for its sprawling tea estates, the mighty Brahmaputra River, and rich wildlife. Home to the endangered one-horned rhinoceros, the Kaziranga National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The state is also culturally significant, with the colorful Bihu festival showcasing its lively dance and music traditions. Don't forget to taste Assam's world-famous tea. Manipur, often called the Jewel of India, is renowned for its scenic Loktak Lake, the world's only floating lake. It's a land where ancient traditions meet natural beauty. Manipuri dance, one of India's classical dance forms, narrates tales from mythology with grace and elegance. Sangay, the rare brow-antlered deer, is found in the Kebul Lamjao National Park, the only floating national park in the world. In Meghalaya, or the abode of clouds, nature takes center stage. Known for its breathtaking waterfalls like Naukalikare Falls and unique living root bridges, Meghalaya is an ecological wonder. The capital, Shillong, is called the Scotland of the East. Cherrapunji and Mawasyanra are two of the wettest places on earth, adding to the state's lush greenery and magical aura. Mizoram, the land of blue mountains, is a state of rolling hills and misty valleys. Its people are known for their hospitality and vibrant festivals like Chapchar Kut. The traditional bamboo dance, Chero, is a fascinating spectacle of rhythm and coordination. With a high literacy rate and a love for music, Mizoram is often called the songbird of India. Its 16 major tribes celebrate festivals throughout the year, showcasing their traditions and heritage. The Hornbill Festival, held every December, attracts visitors from all over the world. The state's picturesque hills and valleys, combined with its rich tribal culture, make Nagaland a must-visit destination. Tripura, the land of Maharajas, is steeped in history and heritage. The Ujjanta Palace and the Nirmahal Palace are architectural marvels. Unakoti, a site with rock-cut sculptures and stone carvings, is a testament to its rich cultural history. The state is also known for its hand-woven textiles and bamboo crafts, reflecting the artistry of its people. The Seven Sisters of Northeast India are a testament to the country's diversity and beauty. Each state has its own story, its own rhythm, and its own charm. Together, they form a tapestry of natural splendor and cultural richness that's waiting to be explored. Northeast Indian food is known for its fresh flavors and use of seasonal ingredients. The food is often organic and healthy, with minimal oil. So, pack your bags and let the Seven Sisters welcome you with open arms. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the Seven Sisters of Northeast India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos. See you in the next adventure.